Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to attach photo Yahoo Mail. We are going to open Yahoo Mail. When you do, click on Compose. Here, click on the paperclip icon and select the option, Attach Files from Computer. Select the photo and click Open. You can see the photo attached in the email. After this, enter a subject and the recipient's email. Click Send to have your photo sent. Then, from the Sent section, you can check your email with the photo you sent. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.